Hello, everyone. Today I am going to talk about what I did yesterday, from waking up in the morning to going to sleep at night. This topic is very useful for English speaking practice because it helps you use past tense naturally and speak in a clear sequence. I will describe my entire day step by step. Now, let me begin. Yesterday, I woke up early in the morning at around 5:30. When I opened my eyes, I felt a little sleepy, but I didn't stay in bed for too long. I got up, folded my blanket, and sat quietly for a minute to fully wake up. After that, I drank a glass of water and went to the bathroom. I brushed my teeth and washed my face with cold water. This helped me feel fresh and alert. Then I did some light stretching because my body felt stiff after sleeping. Next, I spent a few minutes sitting calmly. I thought about what I needed to do during the day. I did not rush my morning because I wanted to stay relaxed and focused. After some time, I took a bath and got ready. I wore comfortable clothes and cleaned my room a little. A clean space helped me concentrate better. Then I prepared my breakfast. It was simple and light. While eating, I avoided scrolling on my phone. Instead, I listened to something useful and thought about my goals. After breakfast, I started my main work. I sat at my study table and focused on learning and practice. This was the most productive part of my day. I studied, took notes, and worked seriously without distractions. In the afternoon, I took a short break. I rested my eyes and relaxed my mind. After that, I continued my work again. I tried to complete important tasks before evening. Later in the evening, I stepped away from my work. I refreshed myself and spent some time relaxing. I did not overwork because I wanted to stay mentally fresh. At night, I had dinner. The food was simple, and I ate slowly. After dinner, I reflected on my day. I thought about what I did well and what I could improve. Before going to bed, I reduced screen time. I prepared myself for sleep and tried to calm my mind. Finally, I went to bed at a reasonable time and fell asleep peacefully. So this is what I did yesterday, from morning to night. This kind of topic is excellent for English speaking practice. You can change the details and make your own version. Practice speaking clearly, slowly, and confidently. Thank you for listening, and I will see you in the next practice session.